Sure. Bam, Scoof, nami ngizongena ngevest njengabofakazi bakaJehova ngisenu-one hova maze ngibona izinja ziyakhonkotha siphe Coca-Cola maye kuhlula ikhokha ikhala likhona khokha imali ekhona before ngidonsa insimbi ngikhokha yona uphenduka ungubane sikuchopha umuno ngeke usasikhomba ngisaseyikasinova ngisanilokhu hamba estrati ngidla ikodo thunikala mangivala phansi iplasta ngoba ngiloba isilonda pick up box jumbo TikTok before kuqhuma iglock siphunyela i-industry ngepetrol sema ukushisa ikhotho sikuva masefuna ibukubuku bhala kuphela ibhuka susuchuku kunenkungu ebusuku kuhlakazeka isixuku suka siphukupuku uzolimala sifuna iy'thukuthuku siyabazuma bonke laba bakhule bebusa umasho mori uphindile sikisi makruka nabo nkulunkulu benu ngomculo benibumba sosikho qhela umele kudeni masikhafula
Fana kithi mawufuna ngenze lama movie faka lo cash Fana kithi mawufuna ngenze lama movie faka lo cash I would lick him lama level lama nigga
This is our first session in Nanda versus Mkhumbane. Njengamanje sizoqala sibafake 10 minutes each. Umeke wadlula 10 minutes.
Incredible mind giving you sign to detect. The fact is that I'm too divine to take this clown. I shake things down with a greater sound. Produced by terror, promo juice. I tell you, oh, never gonna stop. Rhymes in that drop cause I'm at the top. If I happen to go down, then hip hop will stop cause I'm too desperate. Told you to make me the song, still in more. The police gonna shoot them up with, gonna sit with circle.
Make some noise! Yeah.
Let the party, so to put you down. Don't like this card, I got the platform. Share the man, you do so we don't be hot. Mulanda Kakulu, Patika Kani, the Busso Penduna, Jagat Kapani, this are the system. Who will try to go, shall we put the head, who will come on the boat, who perform it that you can't. Who are the things you for one?
Another tie will be Celestial Mike and Lupazafi.
What do you guys think about it? Say it every time.
Let's do it again.
Say it every time. One more time it is. So one more time.
Yeah.
One more time.
Oh, 3, 1, ain't nothing to fuck with. Oh, 3, 1, ain't nothing to fuck with.
Are you ready for about Tony. Tell you about Tony. Tony was my name. Yeah, let's go. Oh, come on in my face. Let's go. Tony was up. He was up. Tony was up. But Tony had a mentality of a drug lord. Hey, my homie was a drug lord. Tony was a drug lord. He used to tell me it was all about the business. The business. Hey, my homie was a drug lord. My homie was a drug lord. Hey, yo, Tony was a drug lord. I heard my nigga Bash was a drug lord. I got the whole crowd screaming drug lord. I got my name on OB Bash in my face. Come on, man.
That's it, my feet, BCQ, Kasha Action Tag, Raimo, Tunakinga Kiza, Siga, Kikum Fresh Kiza, Show me Ziba, Giza, Diza, Peshu, Burger, Zinza, but it's a vaccine, it's a big shock of Ziba. Come on, my friends, come on.
Somebody, sure, who's for Kondo? All the way from Mukozi, Pettis in Jazami, because I'm sure you're asking. Yeah. Speaking more 8 million. Thank you so much to everyone. Ozile, thank you, Uzawe, for keeping the game alive. So, funny artist, so ungazitshela ukuthi ayilezi ezenza amashow hip hop kumele sizi impress. Just be an artist. Into esibhekayo sibheka ama abilities okurap ukuthi can you rap? Can you tick all the boxes as rapper? Obviously ke nonke njengoba nila ngiyacabanga ukuthi niyazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. I-punchline yakho ngabe uyakwazi ukuyi-constructa sizwe i-skill behind the punchline. Kwazi uzoshaya i-punchline ngo-Oscar Pistorius. No, we're done with that. I guess sithole skill, man. Sithole skill. Khona manje sibi-pandemic. There are new variants afikayo every now and again. As a rapper, awucikoze. So that's what we're looking for. Even ngishaye kuthiwa uya-rapper from ekuqaleni kuze kuyofika ngasekugcineni. Still, bakhona abantu abaraphayo. But uzwe ukuthi mani le ngoma imnandi. Mawuphuma stage, people need to remember your song.